Check this. If I lost everything today, no savings, no safety net, no connections, I'd make $10,000 again quickly. And I wouldn't do it with some complicated master plan because in this economy, people still pay to have pain removed. So today, I'm not just going to talk about how I'd rebuild. I may show you a real business that we might build together. Everybody keeps saying that the economy is tight. Bills are tight, jobs are tight, credit is tight. Bet. But let me tell you something I've learned in over 30 years of business. Tight economies do not stop money. They just expose who knows where the money moved to. Because people may stop buying nonsense, but they still pay for convenience, cleanup, emergencies, moving, repairs, and most of all, for solutions. So if I had to start over, I'm not chasing trends, I'm chasing problems. If I'm broke and rebuilding, I'm not starting with a logo. I'm not starting with a fancy website. I'm not ordering business cards. I'm asking one question. What problem do people already have that they pay me to solve this week? And one of the simplest answers is trash or junk removal. I'm talking about removing old furniture, eviction cleanouts, foreclosure trash outs, construction debris removal, garage cleanups, and moving leftovers. Because people don't stop needing junk removed. And as a matter of fact, let me pause right here because I'm not just talking theory. I'm seriously considering building this for real, y'all. A real junk removal, trash hauling, cash flowing business. Why? Because this isn't glamorous, but glamorous isn't always profitable. People are out here chasing flashy businesses while practical businesses are quietly printing money. Think about it. People move every day. Landlords need turnovers. Contractors need debris hauled. Families need estates cleared. Cities fine people for bulk waste. That means paid problems. And paid problems create business opportunities. So here's my thought. What if Rebuild became more than a podcast? What if some of y'all who really believed in ownership actually had the opportunity to potentially build one? I'm exploring the idea of launching a real-world junk removal franchise and opening the door for serious, business-minded people who may want to be founding ground floor partners. Not donations, not charity, not hype. I'm talking about possibly creating a new franchise that you could become a partner in. A simple business with real demand and real customers. Now let me be clear, this is not a public investment offer. Any real opportunity would need to be done legally, properly, and transparently. I'm simply testing interest. So, if that's something you'd seriously want more information about, comment Rebuild Investor in the comments. That's it. No pressure, no commitment. Because maybe, just maybe, the Rebuild becomes a place where we don't just talk about business, we build one. Now, whether you build with me or you build on your own, the principle remains the same. Go where the demand already exists. This is why junk removal makes sense. You don't need someone to convince people they need it. They already know that they need it. And that's the big difference. A lot of businesses fail because they require education. This one, somebody points, you haul. So here's the blueprint. Step 1, start lean. A truck, trailer, or even a brokered hauling partner. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 2, find immediate customers, Facebook Marketplace, realtors, property managers, contractors, apartment complexes. Step 3, solve fast. People pay premiums for speed. When junk becomes stress, fast becomes valuable. Step 4, stack revenue. You don't need one giant score. You need 20 jobs at 500 or 10 jobs at 1,000. That equals 10K. They stay broke because opportunity often looks like work. Folks want passive income before they've ever been active. They want easy before they've earned momentum. And that's the mindset that keeps people broke. Now here's the big lesson. If I had to start all over, I wouldn't chase status, I'd chase cash flow. I'd solve real problems, stacking real revenue. I'd build something practical, then scale. Because sometimes the fastest way out isn't sexy, it's strategic. So now in closing, fam, let me ask you, if you had to make $10,000 in the next 30 days, what problem would you solve? And if building a real business alongside the rebuild sounds interesting, you already know what to do. Comment Rebuild Investor in the comments, because maybe this channel isn't just content. Maybe it's becoming opportunity. This is The Rebuild, and I'm Les Allen, where we don't just talk about rebuilding, we live it. If this episode spoke to you, please subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share it. Until the next episode, remember that respect is the only currency that doesn't lose its value. Stay sharp, stay respected, stay rebuilding. Peace.